For software companies, the customer onboarding process can often be a complex and time-consuming task. With an array of systems to manage, from point-of-sale and online ordering to credit card processing, accounting and bookkeeping, ensuring a smooth and efficient onboarding process can become a significant challenge. Imagine the typical onboarding scenario. A new customer signs up, and their information needs to be manually entered into multiple systems. This process is not only time-consuming but also leaves room for human error. Then there's the task of coordinating between these various platforms, each with its own unique set of protocols and procedures. It's like trying to conduct an orchestra where each musician is playing from a different sheet of music. And let's not forget about data consistency. With information scattered across different systems, maintaining a single, reliable source of truth about each customer can feel like an uphill battle. This inconsistency can lead to frustrations for your team and, more importantly, a subpar experience for your customers. Now consider the scale. As your customer base grows, so too does the complexity and volume of this process. More customers mean more data to manage and more potential for errors and inefficiencies. It's a snowball effect that can quickly become overwhelming. Yet, as challenging as this may seem, an efficient and seamless onboarding process is crucial to your business success. It's the first real interaction your customers have with your services, setting the tone for their entire journey. A positive onboarding experience can boost customer satisfaction, foster loyalty, and ultimately drive growth for your software company. But how do you transform this complex, time-consuming process into a smooth and efficient one? How do you ensure that each customer, regardless of the scale, receives a consistent, high-quality onboarding experience? And how do you do all this without putting undue strain on your team or resources? These challenges call for an innovative solution: automation and integration of the onboarding process. Enter automation and integration, the game changers in customer onboarding. Picture this: multiple software systems harmoniously communicating, sharing data, and triggering actions. This isn't a distant dream, it's software automation and integration in action, and it's revolutionizing the customer onboarding process. Let's break it down. First, we have data syncing. This is where customer information is seamlessly shared across your point-of-sale system, online ordering platform, credit card processing, and accounting and bookkeeping software. The result? Consistency of data no matter where you look. Next, we have automated workflows. Imagine a new customer signs up on your online platform. This event can trigger a series of actions across your systems, such as creating a customer profile in your POS, setting up their credit card for payments, and initiating their account in your bookkeeping software. All this happens without any manual intervention, making the process swift and efficient. Then, there's the Centralized Dashboard. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, you can monitor and manage the customer onboarding stages from one place. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your operations. Of course, with all this data flowing around, errors might occur. That's where error handling comes into play. By implementing smart protocols, you can catch and correct discrepancies, ensuring smooth data transmission. And finally, we have testing and optimization. As with any process, continuous improvement is key. By constantly testing and optimizing your integration, you can ensure it's running like a well-oiled machine, delivering efficiency and accuracy. To bring all these elements together, you might want to engage with developers or integration specialists. They can help you connect your systems using application programming interfaces or APIs and ensure a seamless experience for both your team and customers. With automation and integration, we can transform the way we onboard customers. Instead of being a time-consuming, error-prone process, it becomes a streamlined, efficient, and satisfying experience. And that's a win for both software companies and customers alike. But how exactly do we automate and integrate the onboarding process? Let's break it down. First up, we have data syncing. This is the process of ensuring that customer information is consistent across all systems. Think of it like making sure everyone in your team is singing from the same hymn sheet. If your POS system knows that Mr. Smith prefers his coffee black and sugarless, your online ordering system should know it too. This way, Mr. Smith's preferences are consistent across all touchpoints. Next up, we have automated workflows. These are like the invisible puppet masters of your systems. They pull the strings behind the scenes, triggering actions across platforms based on specific events. For instance, when a new customer registers, this could trigger a welcome email, an account setup in your bookkeeping system, and a new customer profile in your POS system. Now, with all this automation going on, you're going to need a centralized dashboard. This is your control center, your mission control, if you will. It's where you can monitor and manage the various stages of customer onboarding. It gives you a bird's-eye view of the process so you can see what's happening, when and where. But what happens when things go wrong? That's where error handling comes in. This is a set of protocols for dealing with errors or discrepancies in data transmission. It's like having a dedicated troubleshooter on your team, always ready to step in and solve any issues that arise. And finally, we have testing and optimization. This is the process of continuously testing and tweaking your system to make it more efficient and accurate. It's like a car mechanic, constantly fine-tuning your engine to ensure it's performing at its best. Of course, to execute all of this effectively, you're going to need to engage with developers or integration specialists. They're the ones who can ensure that your systems are talking to each other correctly and that your automation is running smoothly. It may seem complex, but with the right tools and specialists, automating and integrating your onboarding process can be a breeze. And the benefits? Well, they're substantial. For software companies, automation means efficiency, speed, consistency, scalability, and valuable data insights. For customers, it means faster onboarding, reduced errors, convenience, personalization, and consistency. By leveraging automation in the onboarding process, software companies can enhance operational efficiency while providing customers with a smoother, faster, and more personalized experience. It's a win-win situation. So, there you have it. That's how you automate and integrate the onboarding process. It's not just about making life easier for your team, but also about making life better for your customers. After all, a happy customer is a loyal customer. So, what's in it for you and your customers? When we talk about automation and integration in the onboarding process, we're talking about benefits that reach both ends of the spectrum, the software companies and the customers. Let's start with the software companies. First, there's efficiency. Automation streamlines those repetitive tasks that can feel like a drain on time and resources. This means less manual work and more time to focus on strategic, high-value activities. Then, there's speed. Automated processes cut down on the delays that can come with manual input or coordination. Onboarding becomes a quicker, smoother process. And we can't forget about consistency. When you have standardized, automated processes, every customer gets the same high-quality onboarding experience. This not only reduces errors, but can also boost customer satisfaction. Another benefit? Scalability. As your customer base grows, automated systems can handle that increased volume without a proportional increase in resources. Lastly, let's talk data. Automation generates valuable data insights which can help you better understand customer behaviors and preferences. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the benefits for customers. With automation, onboarding becomes a faster process, meaning customers can access your services or products quicker. Automation also equals fewer errors. By minimizing human errors, customers get accurate information and fewer issues during the onboarding phase. Then there's the convenience factor. A smoother self-service onboarding experience requires minimal effort from the customer. Personalization is another perk. Automated systems can use customer data to tailor the onboarding experience, offering a more personalized service. And finally, just like for companies, there's the benefit of consistency. Consistent processes create a reliable and predictable onboarding journey for customers, which can boost satisfaction and loyalty. By leveraging automation in the onboarding process, you can enhance operational efficiency while providing your customers with a smoother, faster, and more personalized experience. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've delved into the challenges of customer onboarding and how software automation and integration can turn these hurdles into opportunities. By integrating POS, online ordering, credit card processing, accounting, and bookkeeping systems, we can automate data flow, creating a seamless and efficient onboarding process. This involves syncing data, designing automated workflows, creating a centralized dashboard, handling errors, and continuously testing and optimizing the integration. This automation not only benefits software companies by increasing efficiency, speed, consistency, scalability, and providing valuable data insights, but also enhances the customer experience. Customers enjoy faster onboarding, reduced errors, convenience, personalization, and consistency in their onboarding journey. With automation and integration, we can revolutionize the way we onboard customers, enhancing our efficiency and their satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of onboarding is automated.
Continuous learning. Code Books Academy. Thank you for watching.